We want people out of poverty. We want people getting the help they need.
We cannot expect our community to recover from COVID-19 if we do not invest into the root causes of housing insecurity, poverty, and mental illness. And this is the time to reimagine and rebuild.
This is a reminder, y'all, of what is possible when we vote. Government can and must be responsive to our needs as a society. Government can and must be a force for good.
My movement family has been a lifeline for me because I was really struggling. West Virginia has a rental assistance grant. If I didn't have that grant right now, I wouldn't have any money in the bank. It's about giving me back that time and that energy and allowing me to see that I can be a better mom and be more present.
And that's what we're talking about. Those things that we can help people with where they have no ability to control it. And that's health disparities, access to internet, access to food insecurities. Those are things we've got to focus on.
Having a little boost of financial security along with the unemployment has been really helpful. We've been able to repair a vehicle that has been, in and out of breaking down on us for years, and saving money. Saving money is something we weren't ever really able to do. The child tax credit is kind of what saved us this tax season.
Over the last 80 years or more, it might be difficult to think of a single piece of pre-pandemic legislation that's been more effective than the rescue plan at preventing poverty.
It's roaring back. And that is because people now are able and ready, and they are actually able to come in and command higher wages and better situations, more full-time work.
It allowed us and a lot of others to get ahead for once.
And if you guys hear this story and you don't feel touched by it, well, then go get somebody who will, because we need this change. We need this change.
My hope lies in organizing among, the sleeping giant, the poor and low wealth, people, white people, people of color. We're not going to get anything until we all come together and take our democracy back. That's where the power lies.